Alright everyone, once again, welcome back to Manila Hype Life, and we're here right now at Okada Hotel in Parañaque. We're about to attend the Hot Wheels convention happening here at Okada today, no? August 31. So ngayon, this is the first Hot Wheel event here in the Philippines, a Hot Wheel convention, no? So we're gonna go here, attend this convention with our family and the kids, and silipin natin kung ano meron dito sa event na to. Kaya tara, samahan niyo ako. Akit na tayo. Alright, after that long line bago pumasok dito sa Okada, no? Nandito na tayo sa taas. We're just waiting for the kids, and then we're gonna go inside the convention hall. So tara guys. Alright guys, so now we're here with the kids. Say hi, Arky.
Hi!
Zian, say hi. Oh, there, yeah. We're on our way to the convention center, and we hope that it's good. At hopefully, di maraming tao.
Meet you there.
Oh yeah, we'll meet you guys there. All right, let's keep walking. Hey, Arky. Arky, you wanna see the cars? Huh? Are you excited to see the car? Huh? So guys, nandito na tayo sa area kung saan yung mga naka-display na mga kotse, no? Here it's Hot Wheels convention, no? Unang car na makikita natin is the car of Miss Angie King, the RWB Porsche. Wait, that is
Who told you to put the wheel here? I think I'll put the wheel here.
Thank you.
Wheel! Wait, send your wheel!
Yeah. Hello everyone. So nakita nyo na yung dami ng tao dito sa Hot Wheels event sa Okada, no? Kasi alam nyo guys, this is the first Hot Wheels event na nangyari dito sa Pilipinas, no? And congratulations to Hot Wheels, no? Kasi sobrang daming tao. It's a successful event na naganap dito sa Okada. Hindi na tayo masyado nakaikot kasi sobrang daming tao. Lahat ng mga tao, they wanted to roam around, see the displays na, mga car displays na nakikita doon. At the same time, lahat din ng mga tao umiikot talaga. Marami nag-Hot Wheels hunting, no? Nagka-car hunting, no? So, maraming mga umiikot sa mga booth. Kaya hindi na tayo masyado nakikot. Sobrang gulo. And the kids are really excited, enjoyed. Para kasi silang nakapunta sa Disneyland, no? Sobrang daming nakikita, no? They get really excited. Pero, yan, nakita niyo naman yung videos natin. Hindi lang natin na-maximize kasi masyado. But the goal is still there. Napasahin natin tong spoon steering wheel na gamit natin kay Sir Brandon. Yan. He's the one who designed Hot Wheels playset. I think mga cars din, no? So, napasign natin sa kanya to. At the same time, yung gusto natin na kotse, no? Yung Hot Wheels Mad Mike Drift Attack, napasign din natin siya. So, this is gonna be our remembrance for this 2024 Hot Wheels convention here at Okada. And at the same time, isa pang mission natin, nakapag-trade tayo, na-trade natin yung Volkswagen na collector natin dito sa GTR, no? It's not Hot Wheels but it's Tomica, no? This is a new diecast for our channel na marireview natin, no? This is a Tomica Skyline GTR 1999. So guys, kaka-review lang natin ng GTR last time na Carbon R, diba? So ito iba naman, this is a Tomica edition. Nag-trade lang natin yung Hot Wheels natin na ano, yan, papakita ko dito sa video na to. Yan, nakita nyo. So guys, I think I will be reviewing this, doing the video by tonight or tomorrow, but I will be posting hopefully by Tuesday na. And we'll see if we can do it on Monday. So guys, tingnan nyo. Panoorin nyo to. Alam ko marami na rin taong nagkaroon nito, but alam ko marami pa rin ang wala. So guys, hope you've watched this video, no, here at Manila Hype Life. So guys, once again, thank you for coming, ha. Thank you for watching, for watching Manila Hype Life. And please continue to support our channel, support our videos, like and share. Ayun pa pala, nakapagpasahin din yung mga kids, kaya tuwang-tuwa sila. So guys, once again, like and share and subscribe. Don't forget to also subscribe in our new channel. Ito yung mga adventures natin, no, na mga not car related. Please subscribe to MG Adventures, no. Yan, lagay natin dito, MG Adventures, yan. So please guys, subscribe. Please support us, continue to support us para mapalaki pa natin itong channel. So once again, thank you for watching. Good night, everyone.